Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping back by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'll be showing you this unit that I got from Lovevol. So first I'm going to do a little unpackaging. So this unit does come with 2 stocking caps as well as free lashes as a gift. These are really pretty. So this is a Waterwave unit. This unit comes pre-plucked, it's 22 inches. It's 180% density. And look at the lace on this unit. It blends so well with my skin tone. And like I said, it's pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything to it. So this is a 4x4 closure wig. It does come with 2 combs, adjustable straps, 1 comb at the top and 1 comb at the back of the head. So if you guys are interested in this unit, the exact link, it will be down in my description box, as well as more details about this wig. And I did brush out the wig. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Be sure to stay to the end for my final thoughts on this wig. Bye! guys, so you know what time it is if you stay to the end. So my final thoughts on this wig. This wig to me is very soft. Okay, this wig is very like long, so I really enjoy installing this wig quick fast. I want to see how it would do without me bleaching the knots and without me plucking it. And only thing I used was my my foundation right here and around the hairline. So yeah, I like her. I'm gonna be rocking her this whole week. I did experience some shedding in this wig. It wasn't too bad, but when I was brushing it out, when it was dry, it was shedding. It wasn't shedding a lot. I only used the Gots to Be Insta Hold and my Maybelline Fit Me Matte to Poreless 358. I see when I use certain foundations, my skin tends to change colors in the season, so I'm at 358 right now. It's the latte. I did use my Pantene foam conditioner. Now this is just a regular conditioner. This isn't no leave-in conditioner, but you can use leave-in conditioner when you have curly hair or regular conditioner. And I also use my water, so don't mind me, this is an alcohol bottle, but I don't know where my other one is, but I use water and the regular conditioner. I think it came out pretty nice. The length of this wig is true to the length. Get that goodness about this wig. Also, it's pretty. The hair is really soft, so you can wear it in an afro like you see me do earlier in the video, or you can wear it wet. Either one is fine. I like both. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Also, leave me a comment down in the comment section. This is like, to me, this seems like not a headband wig, but you know how convenient a headband wig is to where you can just put it on and go. This one, to me, you can just put it on. I mean, if you want to keep it down, just wrap it up. I mean, it's super convenient. It's really nice and soft. I really like the curls on this wig, the waves on it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.